have some symptoms like allergy.
No me siento bien, tengo los síntomas de alergia.
And also, I don't know,
Throat?
yeah.
¿Y la garganta?
And also I have a pain. It's not a pain, it's like a, I don't know.
The discomfort on the left. Okay.
¿Y no siente esta zona que no es que duele, es que siente que no está confortable?
And also the back.
The back. Can you show where?
Y también la espalda.
Yeah, but this is pain. You have pain
So
or is
No, it's like a tension.
tension?
Yeah.
Tensión.
Only on the right side.
Yeah. I feel I have a little fever.
Piensa que igual tiene algo de fiebre.
Okay, so let me repeat one more time. You feel not comfortable, generally speaking, with tired and fever,
No se siente bien de manera general, está cansada y con fiebre.
and at the moment you feel the throat is not comfortable.
Y ahora mismo siente que la garganta no está confortable, agradable.
Also here, you said?
No, more here
More here.
and also here.
Okay, so two areas of the
Here.
throat. Here and here.
And here.
Okay.
Hay dos zonas en la garganta, aquí y aquí.
Also on the side here is not comfortable. Little bit front and side, okay.
Y ahí de lado también, que no es confortable.
And in the back on the right side.
Y la espalda del lado derecho.
Upper back, right side. Okay. Next. Can you take your shoe off? Yes, just in case. So, we have a problem in the front,
Tenemos un problema en la parte frontal
and it's a little bit on the side,
y un poco lateral.
and it's a global problem
Es un problema global,
because she doesn't feel well and she has a little fever.
porque no se siente bien y tiene algo de fiebre.
Okay, and we have also some discomfort in the back.
Y tenemos algo de dolor en la espalda.
From this, and this, one good option is Yin Yang.
De esto y esto y esto hay una buena opción, es Yuan Yang.
Then I want to double check here. Okay, do you mind to show the people? Turn around a little bit and tell me your discomfort. Is it here or more here?
Y el dolor está más aquí.
Here.
Yeah.
Here. Oh, right there. Not here.
No.
Okay, maybe here. So it's kind of, it's more on UB, but a little bit in between small intestine. Okay. So I can use,
El problema está más en vejiga y un poco hacia el intestino delgado.
so I could use Yin Yang Min and then add something to take care of the UB.
Entonces puedo usar Yuan Yang y añadir algo para tratar vejiga.
This area here is more on the spleen, liver, and a little and gallbladder, a little bit.
Este problema ahí está más en bazo, hígado y un poquito en
Actually,
vesícula biliar.
Small?
more here. So
Yeah.
it's even more liver. Actually, it's really more on the liver, not really the spleen. Okay,
Está
just
más
more
en-
precise.
Yeah, more precise.
Precise
Yeah,
here.
all this area, but
Okay, so the main thing is on the liver. Okay.
Más en hígado.
I could do image points, but the problem in that case, I will really have to, because I would have to needle her here. Okay, so I will try to do back one instead.
Podría hacer puntos imágenes, pero debería de poner agujas en esta parte, entonces voy a usar puntos bajo.
Is that okay to remove the socks also? Bagua is also good when for the fever and this kind of feeling.
El bago también está bien para la fiebre y ese tipo de sensaciones.
So I'm doing liver 1.
Hígado 1,
Liver 4.
4,
And stomach 45.
estómago 45,
I know, they are a little painful.
Sé que duele.
And 42,
42.
large intestine 1. Sorry, next time you have a wider pants, okay?
Intestino grueso 1.
And large intestine 4.
Intestino grueso 4.
Okay, it's just Yin Yang, but with different points from image mirror.
Es Yuan Yang con puntos distintos.
I'm doing meridian conversion.
Hago conversión de meridianos.
And here I'm doing oh, you have a little photo. Pericardium 9
Pericardio 9
and 6.
y 6.
Okay. Can you move your back a little bit?
¿Puede mover la espalda un poco?
Okay, here also. Okay, and maybe you swallow a little bit.
De tragar un poco.
Do you need water? You okay? Okay. Now, can you tell me if you start to feel a change at those two locations of the throat?
¿Me puede decir si siente un cambio en las dos localizaciones de la garganta?
Yeah, more. Sorry. Yeah, I feel it, the thing, more up.
Up. So this now is better. What was here is better, and now it's higher.
¿La parte de abajo está mejor?
Huh?
It's okay, both.
Both is okay now. Okay.
Los dos están bien.
Okay. What about your back?
¿Y la espalda?
Is there any remaining pain?
¿Queda algún dolor?
Because no.
The only pain is here.
Only remaining is here.
Yeah.
Okay. I want you to move a little bit. So la seule douleur qui reste c'est ici. Je sais pas si ça va être
Sí, sí.
Ah, okay. Okay. Now, is this one still bothering you or it start to change?
¿Ese sigue molestando o está cambiando todo?
El primer cambio que sentí con las agujas fue que esto se desaparecía, pero ahora ha vuelto otra vez esto.
Okay, so the first thing she felt when I needle, this one disappeared, but now it's coming back. Okay. Throat is not coming back?
No.
Okay.
¿La garganta no vuelve?
Okay. And the back is gone also.
Y la espalda también está bien.
So it was mainly on the small intestine
And
then.
now this is
Entonces estaba más en el intestino delgado, en la
Okay.
espalda.
Now this is, what did you say? I'm sorry. I didn't
it's
hear you.
better, but move to this side.
Okay. This is better here, but it's a little bit more there.
Está mejor, pero se movió más de lado.
So now it's a little bit more on the gallbladder.
Y ahora está un poco más en vesícula biliar.
Do you agree with me? Okay. I have nothing here can directly balance gallbladder.
No tengo nada ahí que puede directamente equilibrar vesícula biliar.
Okay, because I have the liver, but it's not on the correct side.
Tengo hígado, pero no está del lado bueno.
Again, when you do dynamic balance, usually will still help on the gallbladder, but I can add something else to finish the treatment.
Cuando haces el equilibrio global podría ayudar para la vesícula biliar, pero ahí voy a añadir algo más.
So I will just add one point on the heart.
Voy a poner un punto corazón.
And this point I do by image.
Y lo hago con imagen.
Okay. Now you can move a little bit.
Puede mover un poco.
Okay, now is it gone or is there anything left around this area?
¿Se fue o queda algo en esta zona?
Se ha ido. Yeah. It's gone, but now maybe again this.
Yes, this is wandering around between the two places,
But
right?
less.
But less intensity.
Se está moviendo entre los dos puntos, pero de menos intensidad.
Okay. Okay. Do you manage to evaluate how much less about?
¿Consigue evaluar de cuánto menos?
Yeah. Now just 1 or 2 points.
Okay,
One,
so
just one.
Just one, and before it was
6 or 7.
6 or 7. Okay, that's very good.
Antes estaba en 6, 7 y ahora está en 1.
Okay, So I will let it work. It's normal if during the needling, the treatment, you feel it goes here, here, or disappear, come back, disappear, come back. It's your body adjusting.
Ahora voy a dejar que las agujas trabajen y es normal que durante el tratamiento se siente que se va moviendo o desaparece y vuelve. Significa que el cuerpo está ajustándose.
Okay, so did I prove to you that meridian conversion work?
Entonces les probé que la conversión de los meridianos funciona.
Okay, so next year you come to advanced class?
Entonces el año que viene, clase avanzada.
Okay.